So today we are going to learn about how to make technical software and how to change the properties, play with the properties of the button, and how to apply action on the button, and how to change the text, and that's simple kind of stuff. Structure for your software app, which is for beginners. I'm considering making a full tutorial series for beginners for Swift. So let's get started. So as you can see, I just opened up a simple open Swift project, and what first thing I will do, I will just move this text property and add the button. So you just have to press this bracket. Maybe it asks for some parameters. Let's just add this one, and let's just open this one. So in action, there's basically two type of things: the action and the label. Action is for whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do on press of button, and the label of the button, you can add the text. You can change the text. Let's say we want to say we will click in, maybe click in, and on action we want to say print something like. So let's just make a quick you can say the button with image. So let's just move the text in our label, and let's just move it, and we can add, you can say like image, and for image we will need the system name of the image. We can say system name, and we can say like maybe heart filled, some kind of heart dot. Let's just see distribution, and yeah, you can see we show a heart with two hands. You can add some kind of properties like that. You can say the background maybe, and you can say the color dot blue, and let's just add some pattern to it. Copy, just add pattern to it. Color dot, let's just do the yeah. So we want the figure. I just look at it. And let's start again. More than 5 seconds. Moving up to the crash. Just go back. See what happened. Just move it. Save it again. We just wait for preview. Yeah. So let's just add some